Welcome to Boonesborough, where wide open spaces meets everyday convenience. Today I'm going to show you this one-of-a-kind property on over 2.5 acres. It's back to BLM land and located right in between Redmond and Bend. Let's go take a look. This home offers over 3,300 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, and it immediately feels warm and inviting. You'll notice the natural light pouring in, the wood flooring, timber accents, and the cozy pellet stove in the great room. It's a perfect place to unwind at the end of the day. The kitchen is designed for both everyday living and entertaining, with generous counter space, plenty of storage, and a layout that truly flows. Whether it's busy mornings or hosting friends, the space just works. Step outside onto the wraparound deck. Imagine slow mornings with coffee and evenings gathered with friends, watching the sunset over open space. This is where you really feel the lifestyle this property offers. And for your toys, tools, and hobbies, this 2,000 square foot shop and garage has room for RVs, boats, and so much more. You've got a pickleball court, a serene pond, an enclosed gazebo, and even a Scandinavian cookhouse. Perfect for hosting year-round and creating unforgettable memories. This is Central Oregon living at its best, peaceful, functional, and built for the way you live. Come experience it for yourself. Call today for your private tour.